My people, uno run come here. Me no know how much I uno remember this, you know. But if uno grow up with no granny a country man, uno have to have little memories of this. Me remember for me granny used to put food in a enamel bowl, and then she would have tie up, tight. Cause by tying it up now, tight in a dishcloth, it would have keep it warm. And then she would have say, Handra, come here, run go up on Miss Liddy, go get her little food yeah. And betcha you not tap a road and ramp, you know, because me want Miss Liddy fi get the food warm in her stomach. My people, them they were days, you know, good old days. One thing with the people them, back in the day in a Philly community, them was giving, them loving, and everybody in our community kind to one another. We look out for one another. Well, at least that's how me grew up. See, me granny me Selva do. Drop a line below, man. Let me hear phone no memories. If you don't remember when our granny used to share out food in a enamel bowl and tie it up in a dishcloth and send you right through the district wherever if you go drop it off to somebody. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world you know there. Memories don't leave like people do. They always stay with you.